Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Starting off today with a $32 shop and deliver. I'm at Highland Walmart today, and this one ain't even got a high item count either. About to go up in here now, shop these few items. I feel like today gonna be $100 before noon kind of day. Oh, I think I need one of those.
Sorry, I'm on your way.
No, I just need one. It's okay. There we go. Yeah. All right, so we pulling up to our second Walmart Spark order of the day. This one was $7 for 4 miles. They sent it to me as a round robin, so I kind of like, I ain't getting nothing else, so let me go ahead and knock this one out. We're getting ready to pull up right now. Now, I did notice in the instructions, it said cash tip. Now, I don't know if those was old instructions or if they remember they put those in there. But hey, alrighty. Right on time. Walmart just came through for me. I just got a $20 order, $20 for 2 miles, shop and deliver. 26 items on this one. And man, I'm really, really loving these shop and delivers. I wasn't getting any yesterday, but with it being early like this one is gonna put me at 60 bucks on the day. And if I can get it done all within an hour and get back and maybe get a curbside on a round robin, then I'm gonna really be winning. Now I was trying to make 100 bucks before noon, but I didn't consistently get any orders to keep my wheels rolling. But on the bright side, I was able to, get me a little bit of breakfast and get my energy levels back up just so that I can go ahead and push a little bit harder. And I'm glad I did, because now this $20 order gonna make my money right back, and I'm putting myself in the best position to maximize for today. It's kind of hard to know if you're gonna have a $200 day or a $300 day. You can hope, but the thing is, you only can get what's given to you. And as for today, I'm only rocking with these 3 orders, and Instacart ain't gave me nothing good, and that's gonna play a big pivotal role into if I'm actually able to hit those higher dollar numbers. There go Uber right there.